Like, this is not how I need to suppose.
Yes. And for this thing,
Yeah.
first people must understand the difference between the brain and the mind.
Exactly.
Because
my
whatever
point.
we are talking right now here, sometimes we are actually talking about the brain and sometimes we are talking about the mind.
Right.
But it is very confusing for the people actually.
Yeah.
Because लोगों को यही mind लगता है, यही brain लगता है.
Exactly. That is not true.
Yes, but people doesn't know that.
They don't know that because a lot of science, what happens, see, brain is something that represents your IQ. But when you're talking about mind, when you're talking about emotion कहाँ से आता है? Mind से आता है. Mind क्या होता है? आप जो आप फीड करते रहते हो इन्फॉर्मेशन, वही आप कैमरे में कैप्चर करते हो, वही फिल्म आप दिखाते हो, वही होता है. दैट इज नॉट ब्रेन. ब्रेन स्टोर करता है, मेमोरी स्टोर करता है, वो थॉट प्रोसेस का आता है. बट इमोशन, बॉडी के इमोशन आप ब्रेन के लेवल पे नहीं फीड कर सकते हो. इमोशन आप, मैं बोलूंगी कि आपके माइंड इमोशन फील कर रहा है, या बट आपका ब्रेन इमोशन फील कर रहा है? नो. Brain is lifeless.
Emotions are actually, they are stored in our body, in our cells, right? But it's the energy. And the जो brain है, brain उसको फील तो चाहे बॉडी कर रही है, बट ब्रेन रिमेंबर्स दैट.
एग्जैक्टली.
दो तो ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ आवर बॉडी इज रिमेंबरिंग दैट, बट स्टिल it registers. That's the reason we talk about the subconscious thing.
Yeah, we talk about that.
Yes, subconscious of brain and all that. That everything is memory.
That is mind, to be honest. Like if you see Freud's consciousness, अगर आप Freud की theory पढ़ोगे, you've read, right? Yeah. So वो बोलते हैं कि mind को 3 जगह पे आप ये कर दो. एक है कॉन्शियसनेस जो कि आइसबर्ग से थोड़ा ऊपर है, एंड द मिडिल वन इज सबकॉन्शियसनेस, एंड द थर्ड, द लास्ट पार्ट इज अनकॉन्शियसनेस. ये जो फियर, गिल्ट, ट्रॉमा, चाइल्डहुड वुंड्स, एवरीथिंग इज स्टोर्ड इन योर unconscious mind, and that makes you that is 90% of your part, right? That decides how you are as a person. जो 90% आपका पर्सनालिटी होता है वो डिसाइड होता है आपका अनकॉन्शियस माइंड से. लेकिन हम सोचते हैं, सो हाउ टू डू दैट? जितना आप ज़्यादा अवेकन होगे, आपका आइसबर्ग उतना ज़्यादा ऊपर उठेगा. जितना अवेकन होगे उतना ऊपर उठेगा. तो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड है ना, उठेगा, वहाँ से एनर्जी देके रिलीज होंगे. तो आपका आइसबर्ग जितना ऊपर उठेगा उतना आप पैटर्न से हील होगे, अपने पैटर्न उतना ये करोगे. अब जब लोग ना इसको when they talk about brain also, I'll tell you, they do that because they want to like put or shift that consciousness and not take the charge and put it on brain. कि मेरा brain का ये हार्मोन नहीं रिलीज हो रहा है इसलिए नहीं कर रहे. There are many people, they come and we are hormonally हमारा ये हो रहा है इसीलिए हम ये कर रहे. I said no, you have that energy and वो हार्मोन भी तुम्हारे सुनेंगे अगर तुम खुद की सुनोगे.
It shifts. I usually do it with the body thing. I always tell that just tell your body. For example, हमारे आजकल के जनरेशन में फीमेल्स में PCOD कितना होने लग गया. पहले नहीं होता था. कैंसर भी बहुत पहले प्रेवलेंट नहीं था. When you actually start talking about those things, our body actually registers and she started creating. Once she starts creating, things shift. वो आने लग जाती हैं. तो अब मैक्सिमम बॉडीज डॉक्टर्स स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ठीक है, अब आपको हर दूसरे तीसरे वुमेन को दे आर इनटू द PCOD थिंग.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड दैट हैपेंस बिकॉज उनके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो स्टोर्ड है कि हमें ऐसे होना है.
यस, आप उसको बता रहे हो,
फीड कर रहे हो.
यस, जनरली आजकल फीमेल्स को हो जाता है. एवरीबडी, एंड नाउ यू आर, इट्स लाइक प्रोग्रामिंग.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड शी क्रिएट्स इट.
यस. एंड फिर सडनली आ जाता है, मतलब इफ यू सी पीपल लाइक उनको कोई डिजीज नहीं था, पूरा हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल था, एंड वो अनकॉन्शियसली उन्होंने जैसे अभी राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग हियर, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग सो मेनी पीपल, माय माइंड इज फीडिंग एवरी डिटेल. वहाँ पे क्या बुक है, आप कैसे कलर के ड्रेस पहने हो, ये मेरा माइंड बैक ऑफ द माइंड में सब फीड हो रहा है. लेकिन मैं कॉन्शियसली अवेयर कुछ हूँ कि मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ, बट मेरे अनकॉन्शियस माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट्स ये हो रहे हैं, है ना. अब अगर मैंने ना जाके घर पे जाके रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं किया कि ये कॉन्शियसनेस मेरा नहीं था, ये चीज़ मेरे को फीड नहीं करना, यू डोंट डू दैट डीक्लटरिंग वाला पार्ट, यू डोंट डू दैट अनलर्निंग वाला पार्ट, देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज अनकॉन्शियस माइंड स्टोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ बैगेज. व्हाट हैपेंस इज जब उनको थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाता है, दैट एक चीज़ आपके सबकॉन्शियस में आता है, एंड सबकॉन्शियस में दैट इज हाउ क्राइम हैपन. इफ यू सी क्राइम, अगर कोई प्रोफेसर है वो अच्छा नारा बोल रहा है, लाइक लीगल चीज़ें बोल रहा है, बट सडनली ही ओनली कमिट्स क्राइम. व्हाई डज दैट हैपन? यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. उसके बॉडी में और उसके माइंड में वो ऑलरेडी प्री कंसीव्ड नोशन स्टोर था. उसने कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं.
So what if we don't need to carry all this stuff? What if we can actually just let go of everything, just clear that, and just change it? I mean, you need not to carry every thought with us.
But people are conditioned that way कि हमें carry करना है, because that's how they have been seeing their primary caregivers. You need to understand, we got an atmosphere, और I wouldn't say atmosphere कोई नहीं पाता है, but it is created again within. हमें वो realization from a very young age, आपको 22 से है, मेरे को थोड़े like from a very young age I'm into this thing, so I am like connecting with these energies. But not everyone is blessed to be even getting that environment where they realize. तो मेरे को ये बोलना है कि आप जहाँ पे भी हो, start there. Start there.
Yes.
Don't try to change your environment, but change your consciousness. When I say that, you should be understanding कि आपके place change करने से कोई change नहीं होगा, आप वही baggage carry करके लोगे. Now if someone is lusty, if I just change the showroom from a red light area to a home, does it shift? No, it doesn't, right? So it is always an internal work, not an external work.
Definitely.
So that is what we need to internalize the thing, and अपने inner world पे बहुत focus करना है. Like हमको consciousness, as you said, हम हर वक्त consciousness में नहीं रह सकते, but we need to understand कि हम अपने साथ रह सकते हैं. We should be a home within. वही चीज़ हम हर एस्पेक्ट पे हम वही देखते हैं कि are we complete, like are we even tapping कि हम खुद के साथ alone हैं and हम खुश हैं. So there are people, those will be like asking me, तुम क्यों खुश हो? I said, I don't need any reason. I'm happy within myself. So they'll be like, what is the reason? Someone proposed you, that's why you're happy. I said, no, I don't need that guy to propose me, then I will be happy, right? So they'll be like, why are you like that? Why are you, conditioned in a way? They try to, when you are yourself, you'll be labeled, you'll be criticized for being you, right?
Because you are different.
Exactly.
And though they also want to be different, but it's difficult for them to get into that zone.
Right.
So that's the reason they are a bit like surprised how she can be in that zone without having anybody.
Yeah, true. That is true that you're saying. And what I observed as a pattern, like being in this emotional literacy thing and emotional independence wala aspect, where I see is the people try to defame that what they cannot achieve. They try to exploit it and they try to defame it. Because what I observed is, आप हमारा ना कंडीशन ऐसे हो गया, हम ऑब्जेक्टिव ओरिएंटेड है, हम सब्जेक्टिव ओरिएंटेड नहीं है. हम किसी का ट्रॉमास नहीं देखते, किसका चाइल्डहुड नहीं देखते, किसका पैटर्न नहीं देखते. वी जस्ट सी आउटकम देख देते हैं. ये हैप्पी है तो क्यों? तुमने देखा है कि हैप्पीनेस को अचीव करने के लिए कितना पापड़ बेलने पड़े? डिड यू सी दैट? You didn't see the journey, you didn't live a bit of it also. Then how can you just come all of a sudden and just dictator kar raha, oh why are you so? Like what I feel is, आपको jealousy को neglect करना पड़ेगा, cut करना पड़ेगा. When you cut off that jealousy वाला aspect, yesterday only I was dealing with a client when she was coming up and confronting me कि I'm jealous of my boyfriend connecting with his girlfriend. Sorry, not best friend. I'm seeing कि वो उससे क्लोज होता जा रहा है, even though he is a male. I am getting jealous. अब मुझे बोलिए मैं क्या करूँ? मैंने बोला, are you even happy within yourself? She said, no, I want his constant attention. मैंने बोला, that means you're attached. You're not in love. When you're in love, you're safe within yourself. You're secure. You're not getting intimidated by what action he will do. What conversation. उसने बोला, हाँ, but मुझे लगता है कि उसका best friend मुझे छोड़ के, मतलब best friend की वजह से मुझे छोड़ दे वो. I said,
actually, they are not secure. They don't feel secure.
Exactly.
And the reason is that because they don't feel secure
within themselves. Yes, exactly.
That is the reason.
That is what I told them. And then, that happened. She came and confronted and she mirrored herself and she said, yes, that's right. My patterns are like that. I've been doing it since a very long time.
When you spoke about this story, same thing actually मेरे दिमाग में stuck.
Right.
So there was a girl and she was, young, I think 27 something.
Right.
And teaching in a college. She approached me on phone during Corona time.
Right.
And she said, ma'am, could you please help me? I'm getting suicidal thoughts and I actually tried to. I said, what happened? My boyfriend ditched me and I couldn't live without him and he actually ditched me with my best friend.
Okay.
So because you spoke about the best friend thing, so it came to my mind immediately. So could you please help me out?
Yeah.
And मेरे पास साथ हो सकती थी, though I do everything online. I don't do physically.
Yeah.
So I said, no worries, I can help you out. And she took my class. By chance, next day I had a class, and she said, ma'am, let me join tomorrow only. And I said, cool. When we did the class, in the class only, there comes another story. Sometimes your bodies bring to you to such places, okay?
Yeah.
And she was already in pranic healing. She said, I tried so much. Right? And even my healer friends, they also helped me. But still, there is something that's not shifting.
Yeah.
I said, cool. And in the class, suddenly I started giving example of abuse.
Yeah.
And I said, why I'm giving example of abuse?
Yeah.
She immediately said that was a group class.
Yeah.
But in the classes also, your body wants to release and nobody is judging you, right?
Right.
Because everybody comes for the help over there.
Yeah.
And she said, ma'am, actually, I've been sexually abused in my childhood.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That was,
Yeah. I totally relate.
And that's energies were still lying. Definitely, abuse energy is very heavy, very different.
Yeah.
And then we immediately worked. I released the energy, and she would like the next day, she said, after ages, I had childlike sleep because I'm feeling light, and next day her glow was totally different.
Yeah.
And that boyfriend from the very next day starting messaging her, I want to be with you, I want to be with you, all that stuff. And she said, sorry.
Yeah.
No, I don't need you. I love myself.
Yeah, I love myself, true.
And anyways, and now she's very happily married and having kids too.
Yeah.
So this is what happens because people,
they carry that baggage,
trauma they had,
energy,
right?
True.
When she was a kid, she had that trauma, and that's the reason she could never love a male. Yeah. And when she loved, then also she was not secure, and that insecurity got her into that phase that her boyfriend actually ditched.
Yeah.
तो हम समझ नहीं पाते कि ये कहाँ से शुरू होता है, कहाँ तक जाता है. लेकिन once it's gone, things are totally different.
Gone, yeah. Means you have to release that energy. You said one ये जो आपने example दिया, I'm planning to say another example where someone came to me and they're like I just observed his patterns that he wants to speak a lot. I said, please speak, I'm listening. He's like, no, how do you know that I want to speak a lot? I said, I feel it that you're bottled up and you want to speak a lot. Then what happened, we discussed about his creativity. He was into art, graphics and everything. Then he himself started opening up, because what happens is we just tap it and we just don't do it physically or something. We just do it very consciously, where you tap into that horizon, where they open up. That door opens up, right? That door opened, and he was just he told me his past. He was a male. He was raped by 50 women. 50 women he was raped, and he didn't have anyone to speak about it. He didn't feel comfortable. He was so caged, and that energy he was carrying. And he came up and he's like, I don't know why I'm feeling like I need to speak everything out. And like, okay, you can speak it. And he spoke about n number of things, how they did that and what happened. And he was exploited specifically by his own girlfriend. His girlfriend sold him out to different girls to get money. Just think how much exploiting it is. And he comes at a point where he's saying me, after 3 years I'm speaking about this. I'm speaking about my own body. I didn't know it. I didn't know what I was doing to my body. I was unconsciously getting indulged into relationships because I didn't know मेरा body ये energy carry करता है जो मेरा नहीं है. I didn't even know कि मैं किसी और का energy carry कर रहा हूँ इतने सालों से. And then when we talked and all, then that sudden shift happened. And in that same night itself, I saw a total different person. Yes. And he's telling, I can't be more happier than this. And I feel like you gave me some, everything in my world. It's like, no, it's just I showed you the mirror, but you chose to see your reflection. Yeah. That is your choice. I just guided you. I just heard you. That is what I feel like. That is what we as I as a founder and we as an organization, Mirari, what we do is we create a safe place, we create a home, we create a family or a buddy where you can be yourself. Because we give you that space where you're not judged or labeled irrespective of whatever your case is or whichever stage or age you are. I have had 60 plus clients also. They've come up to me and they've opened up everything, every trauma. And that happens instantly, right? The thing that you mentioned.
Actually, the thing is, when